Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying Windows 11 is updated and that you have admin rights. This prevents permission issues during install. Next, download a reputable live wallpaper app installer and close other apps to speed setup. Once done, run the installer as administrator and follow on-screen prompts. Make sure to enable any optional runtime packages the app requests. This gets the core software in place so you can add and manage live wallpapers safely and reliably. Open the installed app and import your chosen live wallpaper file or select a built-in animation. This is where format matters, so use supported video or HTML5 files. Once imported, configure playback options, set frame rate limits, and choose whether wallpapers pause during full-screen apps or on battery saver. Make sure the app is set to start with Windows if you want persistence. These settings balance visual quality and system performance, keeping your desktop smooth without draining resources. Finalize by assigning wallpapers to each monitor, locking layout, and saving a profile so your setup restores after reboot. Then confirm the app launches at startup and has permission to run in the background under privacy settings. If you hit issues like lag, black screens, or no animation, update GPU drivers and check app hardware acceleration. Alternatively, lower frame rate or switch to a lighter wallpaper format. One key tip: reboot once after changes to ensure all components initialize correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.